It's been over 5 years since the revived Tomaso brand revealed its highly anticipated P72 Hypercar, and now, the Italian automaker has finally unveiled the first production-spec version of this masterpiece. With only 72 units set to be produced worldwide, each starting at a staggering €1.6 million, the Tomaso P72 is poised to become one of the most exclusive and sought-after hypercars on the planet. The P72 is not just about speed and power, it's a work of art, both inside and out. The first production model, currently finished in raw naked carbon fiber, showcases the meticulous craftsmanship that goes into every aspect of this car. While it's not yet customer-bound, the exposed carbon fiber on this prototype highlights Tomaso's dedication to delivering a flawless product. However, the company has noted that the carbon fiber finish will soon be prepped for a full paint job, and this car will be used for the final stages of dynamic validation, ensuring that the driving experience lives up to the Tomaso name. The P72 is built upon a carbon fiber chassis, hand-assembled by a small team of skilled technicians. The chassis is not just a technical marvel, it's also a work of design genius, formed to provide both lightweight performance and rigidity in the areas that matter most. While many hypercars boast about their powertrain, Tomaso's focus on the bodywork and chassis construction ensures that the P72 will handle with grace and precision. Inside, the P72 offers a level of luxury and sophistication rarely seen in the automotive world. The seats look more like something you'd expect to find in a high-end furniture showroom rather than in a supercar. Finished in a rich, cream-colored leather, these seats create an inviting atmosphere for drivers and passengers alike. The piece de resistance, however, is the copper-colored shifter that sits between the seats. This shifter is not just a functional piece but a work of art in itself, showcasing the level of attention to detail that Tomaso has poured into every inch of the interior. The copper theme continues on the custom-made gauges that dominate the dashboard. With 6 finely crafted dials, the dashboard of the P72 could easily be mistaken for a jewelry display case. Tomaso claims the interior design is inspired by the world of luxury jewelry, and once you see it, it's clear why. It's a blend of high-tech, luxury, and pure elegance that's sure to make the P72 a standout in any environment. Under the hood, the Tomaso P72 is powered by a 5.0-liter supercharged V8 engine that delivers a jaw-dropping 750 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque. All this power is sent to the rear wheels, making for a truly thrilling driving experience. While the final performance figures are still being fine-tuned, the P72 is expected to offer exceptional acceleration and top-end speed, making it a true rival to the world's best hypercars. In addition to the production P72, Tomaso is also making significant progress on its track-only variant, the P900. Based on the P72, the P900 features much more aggressive aerodynamic components, making it the perfect car for those who crave track performance. What's even more exciting is that the P900 will be offered with either a high-revving, naturally aspirated V12 engine or a V10 engine from the 1997 Benetton B197 F1 car. This level of engineering expertise and motorsport heritage adds another layer of exclusivity to the already rare Tomaso brand. While the P72's production is limited to just 72 units, each one will offer an unparalleled combination of luxury, performance, and style. Tomaso has made sure that every detail, from the carbon fiber chassis to the leather upholstery, will make the P72 one of the most sought-after hypercars of the next decade. For car enthusiasts and collectors, the P72 represents the ultimate in exclusivity, performance, and craftsmanship. With a price tag of €1.6 million, the P72 is not for the faint of heart, but for those who have the means to own one. This hypercar promises to be a timeless piece of automotive excellence.